Years ago, the Agastya International Foundation set out on a unique mission to spark curiosity, nurture creativity, and instill confidence and caring among students and teachers in government schools across India. Today, Agastya's vision has touched the lives of 25 million students and 300,000 teachers in 23 Indian states.
Agastya is trying to propagate the idea that beyond what you see in our immediate surroundings and immediate availability, there is something more which you can do if you appreciate the rational thinking and the creativity that is inherent in you.
Our hands-on, creativity-based model transforms the child's learning experience into a journey of wonder, discovery, and problem-solving. At Agastya's 172-acre campus creativity lab in Gudivanka, Andhra Pradesh, over 700 students from nearby government schools visit every day for hands-on learning programs in the natural sciences, mathematics, art, design thinking, ecology, and astronomy. This is a world of the first stirrings of curiosity, of the sheer joy of learning, and the energizing discovery of being able to apply that learning.
iMobile Science Laboratory, which is taking all of you to the window of virtual world of science laboratory, where you can invent and understand the world of science and technological applications. What a beautiful science laboratory is established by Agastya International Foundation.
For those who cannot visit this oasis of creativity and innovation, Agastya offers its fleet of 160 mobile labs, reaching out to students in remote locations with a simple motto: if you can't come to Agastya, Agastya will come to you.
My job is to recognize the mission, which I felt was arousing curiosity, which I still think today is. And now the number of children we are interacting is unbelievable.
Agastya's outreach includes satellite science centers, science fairs, labs on bikes, night schools, digital platforms such as WeLearn and Agastya Virtual School, and self-learning materials such as ActiLearn and IC, reaching as many underserved students as we possibly can. And in the next decade, we've set our sights on reaching 100 million students across the country. At Agastya, innovation is the key to learning and application. On campus, in learning spaces designed to encourage creativity, curious young minds explore fun-filled interactive exhibits, models, and hands-on activities in STEM, art, ecology, and design thinking. Off-campus, many innovation hubs, innovation on wheels, and collaborative programs like Anveshana and Jignasa encourage high school students towards out-of-the-box thinking and the practical application of concepts to solve real-world problems. Art and creativity fairs like Kalakutami and Media on a Bike programs foster the expression of creative instincts without boundaries.
Education is very important in our life. Without education, we are nothing and we can't do anything. So Agastya helped a lot in many ways for children who have to educate well and who have they have to not depend on others actually. To be honest, I'm very happy. I'm satisfied with what I am today, and I hope that I have to carry this happiness forever, and this is all because of Agastya only.
Agastya's Young Instructor Leadership Program has instilled in its brightest young minds a sense of curiosity and creativity. Today, these Agastya alumni are scientists, engineers, teachers, artists, communicators, and change makers, brimming with confidence and the desire to make a positive difference to their world. With your unwavering support and belief in our cause, Agastya prepares to step into the next 25 years of revolutionizing education, one child at a time. Join us in celebrating 25 more years of
collective spirit here. Good afternoon, everybody. It's an absolute honor to welcome the esteemed dignitaries who have graced this occasion with the presence. With immense respect and admiration, I invite our distinguished guests kindly take their seats on the dais today. The first and the foremost, it is our privilege to invite a woman of strength, compassion and the remarkable of leadership, Mrs. Nara Bhuvaneshwari Garu, a NTR trustee of NTR Trust, a visionary philanthropist and a driving force behind numerous social welfare initiatives. Her contributions, her transformation of many lives. Ma'am, we request you to come on to the dais and take a seat, please. Audience, please give a round of applause.
నేటి నుంచి నారా భువనేశ్వరి కుప్పం నియోజకవర్గంలో పర్యటించనున్నారు. కార్యకర్తలు పార్టీ నేతలతో భువనేశ్వరి సమావేశం కానున్నారు. ముఖ్యమంత్రి చంద్రబాబు నాయుడు ప్రాతినిధ్యం వహిస్తున్న కుప్పం నియోజకవర్గంలో నారా భువనేశ్వరి తరచూ పర్యటిస్తూ అక్కడ ప్రజల సమస్యలు తెలుసుకుంటూ ప్రభుత్వానికి తెలియపరుస్తారు. నారా భువనేశ్వరి కుప్పం నియోజకవర్గంలో 4 రోజుల పాటు పర్యటించనున్నారు. ఈ సందర్భంగా పలు అభివృద్ధి కార్యక్రమాలు భువనేశ్వరి ప్రారంభించనున్నారు. నారా భువనేశ్వరి వస్తుంటే పెద్ద సంఖ్యలో పార్టీ కార్యకర్తలు నేతలు హాజరవుతారని 4 రోజుల పాటు అక్కడే ఉండి జరుగుతున్న అభివృద్ధి పనులపై సమీక్ష కూడా నిర్వహించనున్నారు.